Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 13th, 2025, and we're diving into Nyxoah's recently released earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Nyxoah is a fascinating company, especially with its innovative approach to treating obstructive sleep apnea through neuromodulation. I'm excited to discuss their latest financial results and strategic developments.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. Nyxoah reported a revenue of 1.3 million euros for the fourth quarter and 4.5 million for the full year 2024. John, how does this compare to their previous performance?
Nyxoah's revenue for the full year increased by 18% compared to 2023, primarily driven by the commercialization of their Genio system in Germany. The gross margin for Q4 was an impressive 73%, indicating strong profitability despite the deferred revenue from disposable patches.
And their cash position seems robust as well.
Absolutely. Nyxoah's cash and financial assets increased to 85.6 million euros by the end of 2024, up from 57.7 million in 2023. This provides a solid foundation for their upcoming U.S. commercial launch.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Nyxoah's operating expenses have increased significantly. Can you explain the reasons behind this, John?
Yes, the rise in expenses is mainly due to increased R&D activities and clinical expenses, which totaled 11.7 million euro for Q4. Additionally, selling, general, and administrative expenses rose to 8.1 million euro as they ramped up efforts to support the commercialization of the Genio system in Europe.
What about their future outlook, especially with the U.S. market in sight?
Nyxoah is well positioned for its U.S. commercial launch in March 2025. They've assembled a strong U.S. executive leadership team and have a full commercial organization in place. The approval of their PMA application with the FDA is expected soon, which will be a significant milestone for the company.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of -50 for Nyxoah, but the actual EPS came in at 463. How should investors interpret this?
This is a positive sign for Nyxoah, as they managed to beat the analysts' expectations, albeit with a loss. It reflects the company's ability to manage costs effectively while investing heavily in R&D and commercialization efforts.
With only 2 analysts covering the stock, how does this affect investor sentiment?
With limited analyst coverage, investor sentiment can be more volatile. However, beating the EPS forecast is likely to boost confidence in Nyxoah's strategic direction and financial management.
CEO's vision and strategic initiatives. Nyxoah's CEO, Olivier Taelman, mentioned that 2024 was a transformative year for the company. Can you elaborate on his vision and the strategic initiatives they've undertaken?
Olivier Taelman highlighted the completion of their PMA submission with the FDA and the best-in-class outcomes from their DREAM pivotal study. These achievements, along with the establishment of a world-class U.S. commercial organization, position Nyxoah for a successful entry into the U.S. market.
How do these initiatives align with their long-term goals?
These initiatives are crucial for Nyxoah's long-term growth strategy. By securing FDA approval and launching in the U.S., they aim to expand their market reach and provide innovative solutions to millions suffering from obstructive sleep apnea.
Key takeaways. In summary, Nyxoah has shown strong revenue growth and a solid cash position, setting the stage for their U.S. launch in March 2025. They also managed to beat the EPS forecast, which is a positive indicator for investors. John, any final thoughts?
Nyxoah is on a promising path with their innovative Genio system and strategic focus on the U.S. market. Investors should keep an eye on their FDA approval and commercial launch, as these will be key drivers of future growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Nyxoah's performance in the comments below.